Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Instagram gallery not showing problem. So first of all, we need to delete Instagram app data. So for that, open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on app management, tap on Instagram, tap on storage usage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. Tap on clear and now go to your Instagram and check the problem is fixed or not. And the second method is we need to give app permission. So for that, open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on app management, tap on Instagram, tap on permissions, and from here you need to turn on storage permission and go to your Instagram and check the problem is fixed or not. And the third method is we need to delete our Instagram and we need to reinstall our Insta application from Play Store. And the last method is to fix this problem. We need to download Instagram Lite version. So for that, go to Play Store and type here Instagram Lite and download Instagram Lite application and log in into account. And that's how you can fix this problem. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.